Okay, so here in this question it is given ABCD is a quadrilateral. So though the letters are not in sequence, figure is already given in the question. So whenever we start out with this kind of questions, in geometry part, especially in 9th standard, it is very important to draw the figure which carries extra marks, and whatever information is given in the question that we need to repeat. So in the question it was given ABCD is a quadrilateral and then AC and AD are equal. So in short you need to represent all. AC and AD is equal and AB bisect angle A. So as it is given, this AB is bisecting angle A, so we can represent this as angle 1 and angle 2. So thus angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we need to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. And what we can say about BC and BD. So this is the question. So let's start out with the solution. Now here two triangles are there. So we'll start our solution as per that. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Now first point, we are having AB and AC both are equal. So here from the first triangle AC and from the second triangle AD is equal. It was given. So when we follow out the sequence, you need to match out that whether in the given triangle which you collected for your solution, whether they are matching out or not. So the first and second letter is making AC, here first and last letter is making. So in both the case, first and last letters are there. So AC is equal to AD. This was given. Second one, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So how we got angle 1 and angle 2? That is AB bisect angle A. And the third point, AB is equal to AB. We can find AB in both the triangles, so we'll write common for that. So it is common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by SAS congruency rule. Here we have taken side, angle, side. So finally we need to represent by which congruency they are congruent. So here both the triangles are congruent by SAS congruency. Then finally, when triangles are congruent, its corresponding paths will be equal. Then in the question they ask like what we can say about BC and BD. Therefore BC is equal to BD by CPCT. So whenever we make any triangle congruent, it's all the corresponding paths will be equal. CPCT stands for corresponding paths of congruent triangle. So as the triangles were congruent, so their corresponding paths are equal. So let's once again go through with the question. Here in the question it was given triangle ACB and triangle ADB. We need to make congruent. Quadrilateral was given where the two sides are equal and AB is bisecting angle A. So bisecting means it is dividing the angle in two equal parts. So we started with the solution where we took both the triangles and the first side was given AC and AD is equal. Next AB is bisecting angle A, so we made angle 1 equal to angle 2 and the third one AB is equal to AB, that's common. So from that we proved that both the triangles are equal by SAS congruency. So as the triangles are congruent, so their corresponding paths will be equal, which we make equal by CPCT. In second question, it is again given ABCD is a quadrilateral, that is, this is the symbol of the quadrilateral. Instead of writing complete quadrilateral, we can just use the symbol. ABCD is a quadrilateral where it is given AD and BC are equal sides. So here AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CBA. So these are angle DAB. Here the equal symbol is represented. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So both the angles are equal. Now we need to make triangle congruent, that is triangle ABD. Now when we start our proof, always we'll start from the given part only. So here in the proof, it was we need to prove angle ABD. So we'll start out the proof from there only. So in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, first point, already the side was given. So AD is equal to BC. This we got from given part. Second one, angle was given. So that also will repeat the same point which was given. DAB is equal to CBA. So this also we got from given. Only the third point we need to find out, which is common here. Same as the first question, AB is common. That's our third point. Now AB is equal to AB. That is common. We got our 3 points. Therefore, triangle ABD, whatever we started, the same thing will repeat, congruent to triangle BAC. So here only the questions are lengthy. Everything will be given in the question. We need to follow out only pattern. So this complete was given. So just we repeated the things. Nothing we added from our brain. Only the point third one you need to find out what is given to make it congruent. So first side was given, angle was given. The 2 points we added from the given part only. Third one we collected like it is common. And then we are making the same point like triangles are congruent. How the triangles got congruent? By SAS congruency. So once if the triangles will become congruent, rest of the 2 parts will make by CPCT. Therefore, BD is equal to AC. How we got BD? BD and AC are the parts and their position is matching out. So this is by CPCT. In the same way, the next part, angle ABD is equal to BAC. This is also by CPCT. So here angle ABD, this angle B is equal to angle A. What is this congruent? That whenever we make the congruency, so you need to remember like the letters will match out. So here angle, the third proof they gave to make angle ABD equal to BAC. So that how we made? By CPCT. Already we made the triangle to be congruent. So when we prove that triangles are congruent, we can make the corresponding parts to be equal. So its part is equal. In question number 3, it is given, the figure is in this way, where it is given AD and BC are equal. So here AD and BC are equal, perpendiculars are given. So here these two angles are equal, that is 90 each, and we need to prove OB equal to OA. So this is not given direct statement which we got. So here it was given CD bisect AB. We need to prove CD bisect AB. So CD is this one. If it is bisecting AB means dividing AB in 2 equal parts. So these two we need to make equal as it is bisecting AB. So here again we'll choose out both the triangles. Now let's start out with the proof. In triangle, if I am starting from O, you need to complete both the triangles from there only. If you are starting from B, complete out from there. So in triangle BOC, and I started from B, so this I will start from A. Triangle AOD. First point, BC is equal to AD. This was given. They are equal perpendiculars. Second point, angle A and angle B is equal. So don't make that A and B. Don't change them. So B is there of the triangle BOC. So angle B equal to angle A. That is perpendiculars, each 90. Third point, angle O equal to O, vertically opposite. Therefore, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD. So how they got congruent? By AAS congruency rule, that is angle, side. Here we got two angles, then the side, angle, So here once if we make triangle is congruent, we can prove the corresponding sides. Therefore, OB is equal to OA. So this is how we got by CPCT. So as the corresponding paths are equal, corresponding paths of congruent triangles are equal, therefore finally we can write CD bisect AB. So this was the final proof which we need to prove.